Are you tired of feeling blah about your wardrobe? Do you often find yourself standing in front of your closet, unsure of what to wear, honey? Listen, you're not alone. So many people struggle with their dressing sense. But the good news is that improving it is totally doable. It's all about tapping into that inner fabulousness we all have. Hi everyone, I'm your brand name, and I'm absolutely passionate about helping individuals feel confident and beautiful through their clothing choices. Style is so much more than just fabric. It's a reflection of your personality, your individuality. It's about telling your story without saying a single word. So, let's dive into how you can express yourself through your clothes and discover the secrets to effortless style. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Your engagement helps us create more content tailored to your needs. Alright, let's talk about personal style. It's essential, darling, truly essential. It's a huge part of who you are. Think of it as a way of expressing yourself, a visual language that speaks volumes. When you nail your unique style, you radiate confidence and authenticity. It's like saying, "This is me and I own it." Now, finding your personal style is a journey, not a race. It's about exploring different aesthetics, experimenting, and figuring out what makes you feel absolutely amazing. It's about understanding what truly resonates with you and makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and try new things. You might surprise yourself with what you discover. And remember, style is ever evolving. As you grow and change, so will your personal style. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of discovering your unique fashion identity. Trust me, the right style will make you feel like you can conquer the world. So, you want to define your personal style but don't know where to start? Don't worry, I've got you. One of my favorite ways to unlock style inspiration is by creating a mood board. Trust me, it's a game changer. Grab some magazines, browse Pinterest, or even create a folder on Instagram. Start collecting images of outfits, colors, patterns, and overall aesthetics that speak to you. Don't overthink it, just save anything that sparks joy. As you gather more images, you'll start to notice patterns and themes emerging. Maybe you're drawn to minimalist looks, bold prints, or vintage vibes. This visual collection will help you identify the key elements that resonate with you and guide your future clothing choices. Remember, your mood board is a reflection of your personal style, so have fun with it and don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. Once you've gathered enough inspiration, take a step back and analyze the common threads. Are there certain colors, silhouettes, or textures that consistently catch your eye? Identify those key elements and use them as a foundation for building your dream wardrobe. Let's talk color, darling. Color is everything in fashion. It can make or break an outfit, and it has this incredible power to instantly uplift your mood. But finding the right colors for you is key. Now, when it comes to choosing colors that flatter you, it's all about understanding your skin tone. Are you warm, cool, or neutral? Once you know your undertones, you can start experimenting with colors that complement your complexion. If you have warm undertones, think earthy tones like olive green, burnt orange, and golden yellow. For cool undertones, opt for jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and ruby red. And if you have neutral undertones, lucky you. You can pretty much rock any color. Don't be afraid to play around with different shades and combinations to find what makes you feel your best. A pop of color can instantly brighten up your look and make you stand out from the crowd. And remember, fashion is all about having fun, so don't be afraid to experiment with color and find what works for you. Chapter 4. Okay, let's talk body shape. Understanding your body shape is like having a superpower when it comes to dressing. It's about accentuating your favorite features and creating a balanced silhouette that makes you feel confident and fabulous. Now, there are no good or bad body shapes. Every body is beautiful and unique. The key is to identify your shape and learn how to dress in a way that flatters your proportions. Once you know your shape, you can start experimenting with different styles and silhouettes that accentuate your best features. Remember, it's all about creating balance and harmony. If you want to highlight your waist, try a cinched dress or a belt. If you want to elongate your legs, opt for high-waisted pants or a skirt. And don't be afraid to break the rules. Fashion is all about expressing yourself, so if you feel confident and comfortable in something, rock it. Remember, the most important thing is to wear clothes that make you feel good. When you feel good, you look good. Chapter 5. Now let's talk about a fun and effective technique for defining your personal style. The three-word method. It's a favorite in the fashion world, and it's surprisingly simple. Here's how it works. Think about the overall vibe you want to project with your style. What three words instantly come to mind? Are you going for classic and sophisticated, boho and eclectic, minimalist and modern? Once you have your three words, use them as guiding principles when making fashion choices. For instance, if your words are effortlessly chic and timeless, you might gravitate towards neutral colors, tailored pieces, and statement accessories. The beauty of this method is that it helps you create a cohesive and authentic personal style that reflects who you are. It's like having a personal style mantra. So grab a pen and paper and start brainstorming your three words. You might be surprised at how easily your personal style comes together. Chapter 6. Alright, let's talk about building a wardrobe that will stand the test of time. We're talking about those essential pieces that every fashion-conscious individual should own. These are the workhorses of your wardrobe, the items you can always rely on to look and feel your best. First up, a classic white t-shirt. It's incredibly versatile and can be dressed up or down. Pair it with jeans for a casual look, or tuck it into a skirt for a more polished vibe. Next, a pair of well-fitting black pants. These are a lifesaver for work, events, or a night out. Choose a classic straight leg or a wide leg style for a more fashion-forward look. And of course, no wardrobe is complete without a little black dress. It's timeless, elegant, and can be styled in countless ways. These staple pieces are like blank canvases, allowing you to create endless outfit combinations and express your unique style. Now let's talk about the importance of investing in quality over quantity. It's a game changer when it comes to building a sustainable and stylish wardrobe. Instead of filling your closet with cheap, trendy items that fall apart after a few wears, focus on investing in well-made pieces that will stand the test of time. Look for high-quality fabrics, timeless silhouettes, and pay attention to the construction and details. A well-made garment will not only last longer, but will also look more expensive and elevate your overall style. Remember, it's better to have a few high-quality pieces that you love and wear all the time than a closet full of clothes you never touch. Accessories, my darlings. They are the secret weapon to taking any outfit from basic to extraordinary. They add personality, elevate your look, and allow you to express your unique style. Don't underestimate the power of a statement necklace, a colorful scarf, or a chic hat. They can instantly transform a simple outfit into something special. Experiment with different textures, colors, and styles to find what complements your wardrobe and reflects your personality. And don't be afraid to mix and match. Layering necklaces, stacking rings, or adding a belt can add dimension and interest to your look. Remember, accessories are an extension of your personal style, so have fun with them and let your creativity shine through. Now let's dive into some styling tips and tricks that will take your fashion game to the next level. First up, understanding proportions is key. It's all about creating balance and harmony in your outfits. If you're wearing a loose-fitting top, pair it with slim-fitting bottoms, and vice versa. This will create a flattering silhouette that accentuates your best features. Next, experiment with tucking in your shirts. A simple tuck can instantly elevate your look and define your waistline. Try a full tuck, a front tuck, or even a side tuck to see what works best for your body type and outfit. And don't forget about layering. It adds dimension, texture, and warmth to your outfits. Start with a base layer, like a t-shirt or a turtleneck, and then add a sweater, jacket, or blazer. Play around with different lengths and textures to create visually interesting looks. Alright, let's talk about shopping smartly and making the most of your fashion budget. Because honey, you don't need to break the bank to look fabulous. First things first, set a budget for yourself. Determine how much you're comfortable spending on clothes each month or season, and stick to it. This will help you avoid overspending and make more mindful purchases. Next, take advantage of sales and discounts. Sign up for email lists of your favorite brands to stay informed about upcoming promotions. You can often find amazing deals on clothes, shoes, and accessories if you're willing to wait for the right moment. And don't underestimate the power of thrifting. Thrift stores are treasure troves of unique and affordable finds. You can often find designer pieces at a fraction of the price, and it's a sustainable way to shop for clothes. As we wrap up this video, I want to address some viewer questions raised in the comments section. Remember, there's no such thing as a silly question when it comes to fashion. We're all here to learn and grow together. In conclusion, expressing individuality through style is vital. Have fun experimenting with different looks and staying true to yourself along the way. Remember, fashion is a form of self-expression, so embrace your unique style and let it shine. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to our channel for more fashion inspiration, share it with friends, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite styling tip or what you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching. Check the links in the description for more fashion inspiration tailored just for you today. Thank you for watching Unlocking Your Style, a step-by-step guide to elevate your dressing sense. If you enjoyed these fashion tips and want to see more, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay stylish. Gap2S. And remember, your style journey doesn't end here. It's just the beginning. By continually exploring and refining your personal style, you'll discover new ways to express yourself and grow in confidence. Gap2S. So, what's next? Dive into our other fashion videos, join our community by following us on social media, and stay tuned for more exciting content. Together, we'll unlock your best style yet. Happy styling, Gap2S, and as always, stay stylish.